Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to customize the volume button action in the Dolphin browser on your mobile device. This is a helpful feature that allows you to scroll up and down web pages using the physical button. First, open the Dolphin browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Dolphin icon. Then, in the menu that appears, find and click on the Settings icon. After that, click on Advanced Settings to see more detailed options. Next, scroll down again until you find the More option. Tap on it to open additional advanced preferences. Then, look for Volume Button Action and tap to open the available choices. Finally, select the option to scroll up and down pages using your volume buttons. Once this setting is enabled, you can easily navigate through web pages without swiping, making browsing faster and more convenient. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends.